Just got to Dollar Tree. Super excited. I have been on Pinterest and there's no telling what's coming next. Okay, got some good stuff. But could not find any Spanish moss, so on to the next one. Okay, I'm so excited. This one had the moss and it had a better flower selection, so I got some extra flowers from here, so I can probably make a lot of extra crafts now. So I found this frame at Dollar Tree today. It has blue with some gold accents. And then I also found this cute burlap ribbon. It's a bit gray, but still cute. And then I also found this W at Walmart. It's a bit of like a distressed farmhouse feel for like 97 cents. So I figured why not do a little DIY. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so this is the finished product. Took like no time. So here it is. Easy peasy, I'll put it on my bookshelf, and that's all there is to it. Alright, so while I was at the dollar store today, I hadn't really planned to get all this, but I saw one thing and that made me want to grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other things. So I came across this garden dish, which smart marketing because they actually give you an idea of what to do with it. So of course Dollar Tree already had all the necessary pieces I needed, so got the garden dish, got these white stones, and then I got some cute little succulents, and this one is obviously pretty easy, but I'm gonna dump everything together. There. Okay, well, that was easy and took like 3 minutes. So that's all there is to it. Okay, so also when I was at Dollar Tree today, I found this little basket. I guess it would be good for holding pencils or something, but it's not what we're going to use it for. And then these jars, which fit into said basket perfectly, and I got a ton of fake flowers, so those will be pictured later because I don't know which ones I want to use yet. So I also found this Spanish moss. I actually had to go to a couple Dollar Trees to find this, but I was on Pinterest this morning and saw someone else that did something similar, so here we go. And then I also already had this twine or jute cord. I think I had gotten it at Joann's a while back, but they always have online coupons, so It was only a few dollars, I believe, and it goes a long way. I mean, I've been using this for a ton of crafts. And then also this burlap ribbon that I also got from the Dollar Tree. So first, what I'll be doing, I won't actually need these lids, so who knows, maybe I can use them for another project. But I'll be taking the 3 of these jars and essentially just putting the Spanish moss in here to take up some room, and then putting some cute flowers in them, and then putting that in this basket. And I don't know if I'll use it as a table centerpiece or put it on my bookshelf, but right now my table centerpiece is just so high, so when we have people over, it's hard to like look over it. So this might be the new table centerpiece. So the plan is to wrap this twine around and around and around this basket. Okay, so I've done a dozen layers, and I'm hoping that that is enough now that I can just put burlap over this top portion. So our basket is complete now. We just have to do our jars. So move this over here. I think I'm just gonna wrap burlap around the top to make it a little cuter. And I think I'll put a bit of Spanish moss in each jar just so it's not so bare. I forgot to mention to you guys earlier, there were also some cute ribbons at Dollar Tree today. I got these cute little chevron in gold, and then the base is off-white. And then I also got this cute lace. I think what I want to do is bring in this burlap. So I'm going to wrap burlap around the top of the mug, and then I think put lace on the burlap. Once again, I'm just going to fold this burlap in half and hot glue it in half. And then I'll put the lace on, and then I'll wrap it around the jar. So I think I'll cover all the way to the top instead of doing, you know, around the middle. I'm gonna do all the way at the top. this is the final product. I opted to use the little mums for the outside glasses, mugs, jars. So I use little mums. They're an off-white, whereas the middle flower is a true white. So I'm not 100% sure that this is how I'll keep it, but this is how it's going to be for tonight because it's nearly 11:30. But no, I think it turned out really well. I know that something like this would cost way more at TJ Maxx or Home Goods, which are two of my favorite stores. But I just kind of wanted to challenge myself to make something similar to what I've seen, and instead of buying it, just making it. I mean, I don't know how much this would be at Home Goods, but certainly more expensive than it took to make it. But it was fun to make, and it's fun because you can switch it up. You can pick different flowers, you can pick different colors. I don't have to redo everything in a new season. You know, when fall comes, I can take these flowers out and put in some cute red ones. So I'm really happy with it. I think it'll look good on my bookshelf next to my other DIY things. So if you're still watching, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe it'll inspire you to try a DIY project of your own. If you have seen a project that you think I would like or that you'd like to see me attempt to make, feel free to message me. This is something I really enjoy doing. I enjoy watching YouTube videos, so I figured why not make my own, and we'll just see how it goes. So thank you for watching. This was so much fun. Bye.